I find it troubling that a private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing. Because as far as I'm concerned, impeachment court is also a court of decorum. And the rules on impeachment under Rule 18 actually prohibits participants, especially lawyers, from commenting about the merits of the case. Now,
ang tanong, merit ba yung pinag-uusapan doon kay Attorney Ligutan? Hindi naman merit yun eh.
one may argue that this isn't about the merits of the case, that he probably was just commenting about what ought or ought not to do in a cross-examination. But we're not naive. What the private prosecutor is talking about is here. He can explain it. He can explain himself if the presiding officer so desires. But I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar, because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar, and as officers of the court, we owe each other respect, politeness, or even kindness. And it doesn't take one to be a lawyer to know that the first thing that our parents teach us to do is humility.
Your Honor?
No, I'm not yet done, Your Honor. In fact, I have asked one of our lawyers to review the actual transcript from the
Okay, ito
video
yun. Tingnan nyo, palusot niya.
Transpired between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer, and it would seem that in the heat of the exchange, or in the passionate exchange of the arguments between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer was not even actually referring to misleading questions as allowed.
She said
as
that.
implied in the social media post of Attorney Ligutan. In fact, it's here. The court can confirm this from a replay of the video. Attorney Ferrer, sinabi ho ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli? The witness answers, ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.2 ay proof of success. Attorney Ferrer, hindi. Sorry, Your Honor, please. Attorney Kapunan, let the witness answer, Your Honor. Mr. Presiding Officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness mid-sentence, Your Honor? Attorney Ferrer, Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed to just answer with yes or no? The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later during redirect, Your Honor. And Attorney Kapunan, not all questions can be answered by yes or no. This is the meat of the contention of the argument between Attorney Kapunan and Attorney Ferrer. Attorney Ferrer responded, I am on cross, Your Honor, please. And the presiding officer said, counsels. Attorney Kapunan responded, never mind if you are on cross, Your Honor. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed on cross. This was the first time that the matter on misleading questions was actually raised by Attorney Kapunan. And Attorney Ferrer, for some reason, said they are allowed, but she was pertaining to the fact that the questions to which a yes or no answer may be answerable are allowed.
Mga kababayan. Sige, kayo nang bahalang umusga. Siguro naman, okay, hindi tayo matalino, okay? Mga kababayan, pero naiintindihan naman natin. Ang sinabi dito niya ni Attorney Sheila Sison, mga kababayan, that Attorney Ferrer is actually pertaining to the question or to the statement of Attorney Lorna Kapunan, mga kababayan, that all the questions, or sabi kasi ni Lorna Kapunan, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Yun daw, mga kababayan, dun daw ang sagot ni Attorney Ferrer, that they are all allowed, mga kababayan. They are allowed. Doon daw yun. Hindi daw doon sa statement ni Lorna Kapunan na, mga kababayan, misleading is or are not allowed during cross. So, nagpapalusot. Ang palusot, mga kababayan, sablay pa rin. Sablay. Kasi kung yun ang palusot mo, isa kang abogado, gaga ka. Diba? Gaga ka. Bakit? Abogada ka, ang palusot mo, sablay pa rin. Tama si Attorney Lorna Kapunan. Mga kababayan, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Mga kababayan, at saka, again, mga kababayan, ang sabi ni Lorna Kapunan, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Tingnan nyo mga kababayan. Tama ba yung sagot ni Atty. Perer? Sige, pagsamahin natin. Kunwari ako si Atty. Lorna Kapunan. Counsel, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Tapos ang isasagot ni Atty. Perer ay allowed. Mga kababayan, isipin nyo nga. Is that a proper response to the statement or mga kababayan doon sa tinura ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan? Again, ulitin ko para makuha nating lahat. Kasi ang palusot ni Atty. Season, ang sagot daw na are allowed ni Atty. Perer is a statement ni Atty. Season, mga kababayan, ni Atty. Kapunan na kung saan sinabi niya, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Again, ulitin ko. Kunwari ako si Atty. Lorna Kapunan, counsel, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Ang sagot ni Atty. Perer, mga kababayan, are allowed. Diba? Are allowed. Diba, mga ka-GP Natics, hindi siya align. Hindi siya align dun sa statement ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan. So therefore, mga kababayan, huy, Atty. Season, ano yan? Hindi, kunwari nga lang, Jenny Ramos, pagbigyan natin. Dahil nagpapalusot nga ang Ale. Di ba kasi stress na po sila. So, alisin natin yung in-between. Di ba? Yung mga nangyari sa gitna. Kunwari lang si Atty. Season. Kunwari si Atty. Perer, mga kababayan, sumagot agad sa statement ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan na, cancel. Not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Ang sagot ni Atty. Perer, are allowed. Diba? Mga kababayan, is that the right answer? Or is that the proper answer? Mga kababayan, that respond, or is that the proper respond, mga kababayan, or response doon sa sagot or sa statement ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan? Diba? Mga kababayan, so parang doon pa lang masasabi natin, tayo pag pinakinggan natin ang isang bagay, malalaman nyo na kaagad kung tama o mali yung grammar. Diba? Tapos yung sagot. Kasi pag yung sagot, irrelevant yun, mga kababayan, misappropriate. Diba? Irrelevant, immaterial yung sagot. Nitong kung abogado, ganun na sasabihin. Uy, immaterial, irrelevant. Ang sinasabi ko, not all the questions are answerable by yes or no. Tapos sagot mo, are allowed. Hindi papasok, guys. Siguro naman, abogado to mga to, magagaling sa grammar. Tapos yun ang ipapalusot mo. Improper. Diba? GP, we should not be surprised already. That is their objective, delay the hearing. Trademark na nila yun kapag sablay gustong lumusot. Yeah, GP, kaya nga nagtatawanan yung mga nasa gallery, di ba? Mga kababayan? Hindi, ganito lang yan. Simpleng-simple lang naman eh. Gusto kasi nilang bawiin. Di ba? Lance Christian Baldanzo, inom siya stress tab. Ay, Tita Rita. Inom siya stress tab sila. Mukhang mga kababayan, mismo yung mga defense counsel, nagtitingi na lang eh. Di ba? Tapos meron pa doon. Yun talaga yung grabbing reaction eh. Pag defense allowed ang misleading question. Ang allowed lang leading question. Pero it depends on circumstances, mga kababayan. No? Walang ganun. Again, balikan natin si Attorney Ligutan. Tatawa na lang.